Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's session is about presente de indicativo, the present tense in Spanish. You must be thinking ना कि अभी तक तो सब कुछ बेसिक चल रहा था, एकदम से टेंस पे कहाँ से आ गई. So guys, जब मैं आगे की videos, when I'll bring up the upcoming videos will be about how to introduce yourself in Spanish and the basic tenses, the basic sentences you can make. So उसके लिए this tense is very important. Today we'll be learning this. Grab your notebooks and let's begin. Okay, so let's begin. The verbs in Spanish is divided into three parts: the AR verbs, the ER verbs, and the IR verbs. The verbs ending with AR, ER, and IR. Let me give you examples. Example of AR is hablar. AR. This means to speak, right? Hablar. Then ER ka example is comer. Comer means to eat in Spanish. And IR ka example is vivir. Vivir means to live. That's why I said that when you will give your basic introduction in Spanish, so these verbs are very important, right? Let's see the conjugation of the AR verbs first. Let's begin with hablar. So as you know, in English also, the verbs is divided into many forms like I, you, the first person, second person, third person, right? So in Spanish also we have the same. So yo is used for I, tú is used for you, él, ella, usted is he or she. Él is used for he, and ella is used for she. Usted in Spanish is used for, you can say, some elder person, right? So this is that. Then nosotros is we all, hum sab. Vosotros is you all, वो सब. तुम सब, सॉरी, वो सब नहीं, तुम सब. एंड ellos, ellas, ustedes, इसी का प्लूरल is them, वो सब, right? So let's see the conjugations. In yo, the conjugation of hablar is hablo. In second person, the conjugation is hablas. In the he or she form, the conjugation is habla. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros habláis. And ellos, ellas, ustedes is hablan. Let me give you the example in Hindi. Right, this इसका example, the I is आप लो, मैं बोल रही हूँ, वो बोल रहा है. He or she third person habla. Nosotros hablamos, हम बोल रहे हैं. Vosotros, तुम बोल रहे हो. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, वो सब बोल रहे हैं. Ellos hablan español, they speak Spanish. Yo hablo español, I speak Spanish, right? Let's move towards ER verbs. So here we have the ER verb and here we have the IR verb. ER is comer, vivir, to eat, to live. Now, yo is used for como, first person, comes, second person, come, third person, él, ella, usted. Nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. What we saw in the AR verbs? Same O. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, habláis, hablan. So थोड़ी सी एंडिंग ही तो डिफरेंट है. इसकी सेम है. इसमें ई की जगह वहाँ पे ए लग जाता है. इसमें ई लगेगा because it is ending with er, right? Let's see example of vivir now. The verb ending with ir. To live, इसकी भी सेम. vivo for yo, vives for you second person, vive for third person, vivimos. इसमें था emos, amos, comemos. इसमें vivimos, imos, emos. vivis, then viven, en. तो एंडिंग सबकी सेम है, जस्ट द लिटिल डिफरेंस इज इसमें ई है, इसमें आए है. इसमें ई है, इसमें ई नहीं आएगा. द ओनली वर्ब इज आई. द ओनली यू हैव टू एड इज is, right? Let's use them in some sentences. Okay, here are 3 sentences. Let me explain you with some examples, right? Yo dash español y inglés, and the option is hablar. So for yo, you remember what do we use? Hablo. Yo hablo español y inglés. I speak Spanish and English, right? The next is el dash pizza, and in the option we have comer. So for he or she, what we used to use, or what we used to say? Come. He eats pizza, right? Next is nosotros dash en Delhi, and the option is vivir. So nosotros, हम सब दिल्ली में रहते हैं. क्या यूज होगा? vivimos. Easy, right? कहानी यहाँ पे ख़त्म नहीं होती है guys. As I told you, the verbs are divided into 3 sections: AR, ER and IR. So they are also divided into regular verbs and irregular verbs. The verbs we saw abhi, hablar, vivir, comer, they were normal conjugation verbs, regular verbs. Now we have the irregular ones. The examples are ser and tener. Ser means to be and tener means to have. Let's conjugate them also. So ser is in the yo form in the first person. The conjugation of ser is soy. In tu is, in the second person, it's eres. In the he or she, él, ella, usted, it's es. In nosotros, it is somos. In vosotros, it is sois. And in ellos, ellas, ustedes is son. Let me give you one example. Yo soy Manya. I am Manya. To be. Tú eres muy bonito. You are very beautiful. Eres. Él, ella, usted. Ella es muy amable. She is very kind. Es. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Let's move towards tener. In the first person, the tener conjugation is tengo. In second, tienes. In third, tiene. En nosotros, tenemos. En vosotros, tenéis. And in ellos, ellas, ustedes, it is tienen. ये ER से एंड हो रही है, ये भी ER से एंड हो रही है. Somos, sois, tenemos, tenéis. Nosotros, vosotros हमेशा सिमिलर ही रहेंगे, right? So let me give you one example of this. Yo tengo 20 años. I am 20 years old. I know it is to have, but for the age, when we are explaining our age, तो उसमें भी we use this verb. उसमें ही we use this verb tener. उसमें भी. So tener is tengo. Yo tengo 20 años. I am 20 years old. Now, for the second person, the example can be tú tienes una hoja. You have a leaf. तो इसमें to have आ गया, right? Nosotros tenemos 20 años. We are 20 years old. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Ser y tener. There are many irregular verbs, ton of verbs in Spanish. These are the basic ones. Take a screenshot, guys. Let's do the exercise of the irregular verbs also. Nosotros dash amigos. In the option you have ser. So in the nosotros, how do we use to conjugate them? Somos, right? So nosotros somos amigos. We all are friends. Next is yo dash 20 años. इसका तो example I gave अभी. Tener, yo tengo 20 años. If I'm telling of my mom, like ella, for my mom, if she's, for she we use ella. So ella tiene 40 años, right? The next example is ellos dash muy amables, and the verb is ser. So ellos, ellas, ustedes, वो सब, ellos son muy amables. They all are very kind. Perfecto. Today we learned 3 regular verbs, their conjugations with examples, and the most important 2 irregular verbs, which were tener and ser. Now it's your turn. Give me one Spanish sentence using hablar, vivir, ser, comer, or tener, and I'll check your answers. Okay, people, this is all for today. I hope you liked today's session. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video with another very interesting lesson. Bye bye.